Hi everyone, I'm Mocha Moizelle with Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica, and I have something very exciting that I am ready to share with you today. So, if you are dreaming of making Jamaica your new home, like I have for the past 4 years, okay, you can join our Immigrating to Jamaica for Beginners webinar to get all the insider tips that you need to start your new life in paradise. So whether you are an expat or a repat, I invite you to join. If you're just curious about what it takes to move to Jamaica, this webinar is designed for you. Okay, so I'm thrilled to invite you to our upcoming webinar that is going to be hosted on July 2nd. If you can't make this one, don't worry, we'll have more. You can join us on Eventbrite at jamaica.eventbrite.com. I will put this in the description, okay? So you have a team of people who have successfully immigrated to Jamaica, okay, have been here for a while, who know the ins and outs, and can easily guide you through the process of what you need to do to set yourself up and get situated here if that is your desire, okay? So we are going to guide you through the entire process of immigrating to Jamaica, from understanding the visa requirements, finding the space or the location that is best for you and your situation and what you want, and also as well to adjusting to Jamaican culture and to Jamaican life, because you are moving to a new place. You need to know how to properly integrate, okay? Living somewhere versus visiting, via vacation or a trip is going to be a completely different experience. So we want to make sure that you are prepared and you know what it is you are doing and what you want to do, okay? We got it all covered. Okay, so like I said, in this webinar, you will learn about the different types of visas, what you have available to you, and how to apply for them. Okay, finding housing that suits your needs and your budget. Okay, navigating the banking system, managing your finances, all this stuff you need to be considerate of. Transportation options to get you around the island, get you around where you are, where you live, what places are best if you are, if you're not coming with a vehicle, you don't have your own transportation, okay? And all in all, in general, all the tips that you need to adjusting, okay, in Jamaica and living here on a long term basis, okay? So moving to Jamaica was an awesome decision for me. It was a great decision for me. I love being here. I love what it has offered me and opportunities. I love being able to have a different pace of life, have access to a lot more fresher quality foods. I love being able to just do what I want with my day and have my time be my own and all those things. I'm afforded the opportunity because I earn income online. Again, that's another video, but these are the things that I enjoy about living in Jamaica. And of course, I love the people and I just love the overall atmosphere. All in all, it still took me a while to get adjusted. I had a lot of learning curves that I had to get beyond, a lot of things I just wasn't familiar with. The purpose of this webinar is to help you not have to have those experiences that make you want to say, "Oop, okay, wait a minute, like this may not be it for me." This is to help you make a smoother, more knowledgeable transition instead of just like fighting around in the dark, okay? That is the purpose of this webinar, okay? Again, I never imagined that I would be living in Jamaica. So, again, had I had, more insight, I'm grateful for everything that, that I experienced. It made me, more uh, educated on what it is, moving abroad and all those things. But, had I had something like this, I would have been things could have been a lot more cohesive and just overall smoother. So that's what I'm trying to provide to the next person or people who are looking to make Jamaica home. So sign up for this webinar if that's something that you're interested in, okay? And don't miss a chance to get to connect with community. Like you're moving somewhere like most people do when they migrate, they try and find people who are familiar with their culture. They try and be, we don't want you to isolate yourself, but you still want to have those people who are familiar with the place and the culture that you're coming from. So why not have that community up and ready before you do that. Okay, we have a space for you to do that. Okay, so you want that advice from the people who have community, who've established community, who've been here, who know what to do. Okay, so register now and take the first steps you need to do. Okay, to get to Jamaica. All right. Just a second. Yeah, so you can also subscribe to our channel. We have lots of videos. Most of us is just chatting, but we're building our library. So you can subscribe. As you can see, it's very hot. I can't run the fan because you won't be able to hear me. So I'm doing the best. So don't mind the sweating, okay? Um, Subscribe to our channel. Watch some of our videos. Contact us. We do offer one-on-one consultations. So you can subscribe, watch some of the videos. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when we're going live, when we post a video, or when we give updates. Okay, and there's a plethora of things we have available. Okay, we also have a guidebook called "The Do's and Don'ts of Resettling in Jamaica," so you can have that in physical form if you need it. If you don't feel like sitting watching hours of video, we have this guidebook available for you. But I do encourage you to join our webinar that is upcoming on July 2nd. Okay, that's very soon, so the next few weeks. Get your ticket at berjamaica.eventbrite.com. Again, that will be in the description. So if you are considering a move to Jamaica, join our Immigrating to Jamaica for Beginners webinar to get all the information that you need for a smoother transition. Okay, so again, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Check us out. We offer discovery call consultation. So if you're not sure what it is that you want to do, you know you're interested in coming, but you're not sure how you're going to make that possible. We offer discovery calls. You can visit our website, berjamaica.com, for that, to find that link. So we offer discovery calls to help you just get started. We offer consultations and work permits, in which I specialize in, and that's how I have my residency here in Jamaica. That is a time and a financial process. That is an immigration process. So be prepared to understand that it's going to require some things out of you if you are wanting to go that route. We have consultation for those who are coming with family and children. You need to understand and you need to know what the process is for enrolling enrolling your kids in school out here in Jamaica, what they need to do, how you go about with that process, what schools are in the area, what type of school you want to enroll your kids in. We have people who have been here and done those things and are proficient and can help you with this process. Okay, we have consultations for doing business out here. You want to learn how to get set up, get your business up and running. Again, these are for both expats and repats. If you've been gone from Jamaica for a while, you have Jamaica lineage, you want to come back here, you want to situate and establish yourself out here in Jamaica, we have a team who is here to help you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Again, please find that link in the description. You can find it at berjamaica.com, or you can go straight to the site berjamaica.eventbrite.com and get your ticket today. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mocha Moizelle, and I will see you in the webinar.